The important parts like the menu, order details, and payment area are in the center. This helps users easily focus on selecting menu items, reviewing their orders, and checking out without any distraction. I also use a combo box for menu items, making it quick for users to choose. Showing the order summary separately allow users to see their order items clearly before checking out, making it easier to understand their order. I have also used error prevention for payment check to ensure that users can pay less than their order's total, which prevents mistakes. Once the user is done checking out, the receipt will display in the receipt area, and the receipt not only lists the order but also includes the date and time, which is helpful for both customers and the business. The Save Receipt button allows the users to save the receipt in the files. I have also implemented error prevention in confirmation for deletions. So when a user tries to delete an item, they get a confirmation first. This prevents accidental deletions. The ability to add or change menu items easily keeps the system up to date without much hassles. After saving the receipt, the users can now view the saved receipt in the files. So the system also calculates the total cost in real time. This makes checking out simpler and give users an accurate total. Connecting to a database means menu items can be updated automatically, so the system always stays current.